love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a man
The mighty shoved and a miner yelled out, "There's a light up above," and 20 men
Hey, a couple Can-Ams just went by. Yeah, we're ready.
Big job.
Big job. Oops. Are we ready for this?
Huh?
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Leader.
All right, we're heading to Lake Erie,
Lighthouse.
to the lighthouse on
Presque Isle.
Presque Isles.
Wherever the leader leads us.
Okay, here we go. Oh, by the way, it's Sunday the 29th of June. And right now, you know, that's
This is
Bob
the
and
day
Amy.
That Bob retired a year ago.
Yes, Bob.
I know, it came up in my memory.
Bob retired a year ago today.
Down in the swamp, fix a batch of shine. Lawman couldn't catch him, even if he tried. Rattlesnake Joe, they wouldn't let you be. One step from the devil, two steps from the law. Gree and his gumbo, he takes just what he wants.
A big city. Yeah, I'm glad.
Some city smoke real.
It does have some history.
Yeah, very lovely old buildings. Oh, 1, 2, 3, red light. So we're on 322 Main Street.
Two steps from the law.
Now we're to the right is the courthouse. Everything you want there.
Bounty hunters in the night, trying to get his trail. Preacher put a prayer on him, the shaman told his
Okay, we're here. Here's your lighthouse.
They wouldn't let you
No, this side. He's hot.
One step from the devil,
He's
two
hot.
steps from the law. Got green in his gumbo, he takes just what he wants.
Let's see the Statue of Liberty. That's pretty cool. Bum, 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 bum. Cross of Freedom. And that's so cool. We've been here before, but I don't know if Bob and Amy's been here. I think they have. One way or another. Cool. Oh, June 17th. You reckon that? On my birthday. Yeah. Whoop. Yeah, gave you a 360 view of the Statue of Liberty.
Night before full moon, preacher took his gun. Blessed with his cross to fire. Old Joe hit the ground. Rattlesnake Joe.
Don't worry, I'll be happy now.
Let you
Oh, be happy. Let's get that straight.
one step from the devil, two steps from the law. He take just what he wants. Rattlesnake Joe. Rattlesnake Joe. Rattlesnake Joe. Abraham Lincoln, Whittington Mills, those famous fires, Old Westville, Silver City Charlie, you never missed a trick. Railroad yards and our old schools, the brickyard pond and trolleys too. Silver City Charlie, nobody did what you do. Oh, Silver City Charlie.
Okay, we're looking for the lighthouse. The road to get to the lighthouse.
We just ate at Sally's drive-through diner.
Yep.
50 styles, good burgers.
We're going to get into this lane. And
He's pointing that way or something.
Ooh.
I don't know. Bob just honked at you and pointed somewhere. So you can see. Oh, we have been down here.
I know we have.
My memory strains me sometimes.
We went to the beach.
Yes.
I don't know where it is.
Well, I'm assuming it's at the end of this.
No, it's in here somewhere.
It can't be.
Okay. We don't know where we are. We're looking for the lighthouse. Let's take a peek at the beautiful beach, the bay.
The lake.
We'll find our way.
Oh, his feet are burning.
Probably.
Feet are high. Jesus, put him on the grass.
Beautiful. Beach 3. You're going to go all the way down to the end. Maybe just stick our feet in the water, then come back to the lighthouse. Oh, we're on the island. Yeah, it's an island.
I guess.
A peninsula, something. It's something.
Yeah.
Of course, I always go through the trees. Wow. We turn it around, all the way around to the tip of the island. Isle. Pretty cool. I don't think we've ever been out this far, dear.
No, probably not.
Because we stopped at the beach.
Helicopter over there.
Oh yeah. I probably can't see it, but there's a helicopter above them buildings over there. There you go. Woo! Check that out. Yeah, that's cool. That's Lake Erie.
I want to fly a kite. Like 2 seconds, honey? That'd be great. Thank
Okay.
you.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Well,
Wow.
you move, I couldn't get the picture.
Just for that, you're climbing up the lighthouse.
Hey, girl.
What?
You want the museum?
Be my guest.
Tower climbs.
How can I say?
Okay.
Climb the museum.
All right. We're gonna go up there, right, Amy? Well, they only allow what? 8 up at a time. So, and they can be up there for 20 minutes. So it's going to be, yeah, a good half hour, anyways, if not longer, before we can get up there. So we decided not to go. Okay.
We've seen other stuff.
Amy's going to take pictures of herself.
No, I'm trying to get off, I'm trying to get off a video and portrait on the photos.
Okay. Well, this is one of the beaches near the lighthouse, and that's Lake Erie. Want to go jump into Lake Erie, dear?
No.
That's Lake Erie. Woohoo! There's the boats partying in the cove. Party boats. It's a nice cut here. I see out here metal detecting instead of riding my bike. Look at that nice cut here. You can't move yet. Aww. He's confused. Hey, we're talking about Bob now.
Bottom button, but I can't do it.
1969, I was trying to get along, strumming on my guitar, trying to learn that Creedence song. I remember the flea market jam, St. Joseph's Hall. Eddie did his handstand, everybody had a ball. I remember then the big sounds of Vesuvius come roaring across the gym. CYO, the Rubicon, Z's Den. I remember the music of my life. People came together, sharing wine and song. Crosby, Stills and Nash, that Woodstock song. We sang for justice, we sang for social change, for the love and the blood and the mud and the rain. Everett and the Screamers that play in the hillside, Atlas and Mad River, the Barons Five. I remember Shirley and the Dominoes played our favorite songs. The Spiders at the Moonbeam rocked them all night long. I remember Barry and the Nomads, the Vikings and the Plagues. Our city was alive with song, we talk of it for days. Do you remember? People came together, sharing wine and song. Crosby, Stills and Nash, that Woodstock song. We sang for justice, we sang for social change, for the love and the blood and the mud and the rain. I remember the music of my life. I remember the music of my life. Summers at the music store, a place called Charlie Bean's. Steppenwolf and Weatherspoon, they made the scene I remember. Concerts at the Land of Oz, the James Montgomery Band, Tommy James and the Yardbirds in Roseland, do you remember? Talk of the town, the Graduates, the Jack the Johns, Ricky's at the Pickle Barrel, he's singing that Beatles song I remember. The music of my life. People came together, sharing wine and song. Crosby, Stills and Nash, that Woodstock song. We sang for justice, we sang for social change, through the love and the blood and the mud and the rain. I remember the music of my life. I remember the music of my life.
We made it a beautiful day. Hot.
Yummy.
Yummy. We had a good meal. Good scenery.
Great
And-
friends.
Yep. And thanks for coming along with us. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And hit that like button. And leave a comment and whack that bell a whole bunch of times so you don't miss anything. So thanks for coming.